Because I come to see by my eyes, inside the field is much better, the field is big, vision different than TV. TV you have a screen.
So-
And the coach, I think he knows he didn't put him to play.
I have to go, my friend. It was nice to meet you.
Meet you.
I got your
See you
contacts.
again,
I'll give you a call. Inshallah, we'll stay in touch. All right? Take care.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Thank you.
So we can say about Ahmed Farag, you put in your mind you'll watch him one day.
No, I'm watching him. What?
One day you will see him
Yeah. We are going to take a look. Not only Ahmed Farag, many players.
without names because you are
I follow too much second division games.
Yeah.
From TV, sometimes in the field. For example, the day when I was to see Saka Hadid against Nasser, my assistant coach Marco was in another match.
Yeah.
Understand? We work like that. Like today. Today, Marco, he went to the stadium to observe.
To watch the Hilal and the
against
Zenit.
Hilal, to pass information to me, to prepare for the next match. We are working like this.
Other players, which they are from out of Egypt.
Yeah, your colleague, he asked me,
Yeah.
there is some
And
names.
yeah. I mean, we don't want players, such a player like Razak, or we need the players coming to play football, not only for money.
I prefer to not manifest myself about your opinion. I respect your opinion. But as you know, I'm the coach. I cannot go inside this kind of discussions. Okay? When I choose, I select one player or I put the player out, it's because I'm the coach.
Yeah.
You understand? That's so. And I'm free to make my choice on the players I want and not to. If there is interference in my job, we see after. After they see the bill they have to pay. Understand? Cool. This is my way.
Thank you very much, Mr.
And
Vieira.
thanks for your hard work with
Thanks
Zamalek.
for coming. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for
very
your hard
much.
work with Zamalek.
I wish
We
to
know-
you a safe trip back to Dubai.
I hope so.
Tomorrow we'll be in Dubai.
6 o'clock my work
We
really.
know you are doing your best with Zamalek, and just keep up.
I think I do more than my best.
Just keep up.
Very honest.
Just try to keep
Because
up.
football is my passion.
Yeah.
If football is not my passion, I'm not more than Zamalek.
Try
Guarantee to you.
try to keep it up.
I guarantee
And just keep the fans in your mind. Just keep the fans in your mind and front of your eyes. What the fans are doing.
We are working for us, for the team, for the happiness of the fans. But the fans, they have to understand.